rapid growth of the city. So the sewers were designed to run by gravity, and household and commercial establishments supposed were expected not to put in any solid waste into the sewers, but in reality it's not happening. So when the solid waste goes into the sewer, it obstructs the natural flow of the sewage in the sewers. So which in turn results in blockage of the manhole and the sewage overflows from the manholes. Then the authorities, they hire these so-called manual scavengers to go down into the manhole and clear it. So when they go down, what happens is the poisonous gases that are present in the sewer line affect them, and sometimes they fall unconscious, and sometimes it may even lead to death. Manual scavenging has been community-based occupation since ages. The lower community people, the downtrodden of the societies, the so-called Harijans and Dalits, have been forced to do this job since ages. Our solution to this is mechanized cleaning of the sewers. So, do you all know that since January 2017, one person has died every 5 days when cleaning the sewers and septic tanks across our country? This fact was given by the National Commission for Safai Karmacharis. Our company identifies these prospective manual scavengers and prospective SCST entrepreneurs. We train them in creating business proposals and how to participate in tenders. And once they get the tender, the work order allotted, we help in managing the vehicle on their behalf. Next. So manual scavenging is caste discriminatory, it violates human dignity, and it is health hazardous, and sometimes people lose their life, and above all it is prohibited by law. So here you can see a picture of a manual scavenger who had passed away in the city recently. So the department has called for sewerage cleaning machines which are big. Those are only used to clean the main roads, and the city, the lanes being narrower, they cannot go inside that. So we have partnered with Kamavita, and we, as a pilot phase, the HMWSSB has hired 68 mini AirTech machines which can go into narrow lanes of the city and clear the chokages and manhole. So when we introduced this machine, in the start they were only used to address the complaints, and when the complaints started reducing drastically, they were put into preventive maintenance of the sewer lines. Seeing this progress, GHMC has called for another 66 machines of such size with an additional equipment that is sucking. So, seeing the whole impact of this project has made Hyderabad manual scavenging free, and it has got the state and the department national recognition. So, after the impact that we saw here, Delhi government has invited us to replicate the similar model in Delhi. So wherein they have called for 200 such vehicles, and Delhi, the lanes are much narrower and the city is unorganized, and a lot of civil system is not for the entire city. So we had to create a special and smaller machine for Delhi, which had 3 actions in it, that is rodding, jetting and grabbing, wherein the grabber takes out the silt that is there inside and puts it in the basket that is shown there, and takes it to the dumping yard, and there they dump it. So this is the actual machine, and this is the social impact, the impact on the maintenance and the hygiene level. But there is one more impact wherein we also did not anticipate, whereas the social impact of these machines were these employees or the contractors who were there, who owned the vehicles, the contractors were saving up to 40,000 every month after the expenses were taken out. And the employees, we treated them as any professional in a corporate company. We gave them salaries via bank transfer, and we paid them according to the Minimum Wages Act. This had made those employees even more financially disciplined, and some of them have taken credit cards, and their CIBIL score has grown up. CIBIL is a really important nowadays here. So some of the employees were have taken house loans and constructed their own house, and the impact on their kids was also very big. The kids went to a better school. Now I can say that they are able to read, write, and speak in English, which is helping them face this fast-changing world. And with this, I would like to end my presentation. And my dream is to eradicate manual scavenging in the entire country, and we would like to mechanize the way people mechanize the sewerage cleaning aspect. So this is the change we brought. This was how they used to look before, and now with the uniform and the safety gadgets we provide, now they are like this. Thank you.